I just want to show you an addition to Lead Finder Local. We've got this stunning local business consultants website. You will get exactly the website that you see here. This is a demo site. You can see a link underneath the video where you can go to a live site and see it for yourself. Of course, it's fully responsive and comes populated with some initial content. Of course, you're free to change that as you wish. And what we've added in here is a visually exciting front page, plus a free download, of course, for you to capture leads, and additional space for some videos, a mission statement, or whatever you want to put there, and of course, testimonials. What I've also added in here is a main blog, so you can continually add content to this and keep it fresh and improve the SEO. And for your customers, there's a list of services. Of course, you don't have to supply all these services, these are just suggestions. And each one of these services will have some basic information on that page for the customer to look at, or your client to look at. Basically just enough to tempt them in and to want to get those kind of services from you. However, one of the great features of this particular blog is the built-in reporter, and that can be used in two ways. You can either go direct to the reporter yourself, or your people visiting the site can come to the reporter and they can add in their details for their particular business and create a report, and it will create a report for them. So it's another way of getting leads. But what I want to show you is the fact that it integrates directly with Lead Finder Local, or rather Lead Finder Local integrates directly with the blog. And as you can see here, I have done some searches in this particular case in the US, in California, for bridal in Tarzana, and it's given me a number of results. And one of those I've got here is Lily's Bridal and Formals. So I'm going to do my more info, brings up my information box as usual, and we've got a box down here saying report. And if I click on that report, it will go off now, and it will actually go to this blog, and it will pre-populate the information in this form for me. So all I now need to do is to add a name and perhaps a target keyword. So the main keyword that that site may be targeting, or any keyword that may be targeting. So in this case, it's a bridal shop, so it might be targeting something like wedding dresses. And create the report, and in a few seconds it will go off and it will pull back a lot of additional information for me. So here's the report, and the first thing you'll see up here has the standard information of the actual business itself. It also has a Google Maps location, and you'll see it's pegged in the middle. What's cool with this is it's fully functional. You can grab the Pegman, for instance, and drop it onto the location, and if it's fully kitted out, you can see the shop interior or the street view of the shop, whatever's set up by the particular business or what you can set up for the business. We have a number of other information, such as whether the website's available and active, whether it's in Google+, whether it's got Facebook or Twitter, etc. And it also checks the keyword in for the local search results, in other words, in that Magic 7, and the organic top 20 searches, and it'll give you the position of that search and a link to the Google page if you want to check that. But what else it does, it checks some of the key top directories to make sure that it's registered, to make sure it's correctly registered. So in here you'll see it's not in Bing, it is in the Yellow Pages, it's not in Super Pages, and it's in City Search and Foursquare. But you'll see in this column it's got mismatches, so you'll see that the business name is mismatched in a couple of places, and in this one it's got a town city mismatch. It appears to be missing off of the citation, and these are updates that need to be done. And if we need to update or add any of these in, we can simply click the Add Update link on the right-hand side, and that will take us directly into the Moz Local and give us the ability to perform further checks. And the first thing we can do is just make sure we select the most accurate listing, and we'll the Lily Bridal, same one as we mapped in there. It'll take a couple of seconds to pull up the results, and now what we get is a complete mapping of that business. And we can see now that all the major directories, which ones it is registered in and which ones it isn't. We can also check an incomplete registrations. So whether we've got pictures in there, it needs more photos added in this case, and less, it needs more categories adding. You can also check for inconsistencies. Little red buttons now tell us where addresses or names are incorrect or mismatching. And you can also check for duplicate entries. These need to be removed, obviously, if you have duplicates. And from here, we can do the actual updates. So where updates are required, you can click the update listing. Or if you haven't got a listing there at all, you can actually create the listing. So if I look in Super Pages here, as we mentioned before, we don't have that one. You can go straight to the page where you can add your business or your client's business to the Super Pages directory or whatever directory it's missing from. So as you can see, that is a pretty cool add-on for your Lead Finder Local software.